Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we're starting a series on the low-level IC math, and it's going to teach you habits and tricks for the IC so you can get done with it faster, I guess, like you can get through the entire thing. So today's question is, which expression is equal to 10? So first of all, in every math problem, you need to look through to see if there's any obvious answers because that will save you a lot of solving. So there's 4 answer choices, A, B, C, and D. No obvious answers yet, but you can notice that A and B are addition, and C and D are subtraction. So let's group them into 2 groups, A and B, and C and D. So let's start with A and B because they're the first ones. Let's look at the back because that's a little neat trick. Look at the back first. So 12 subtract 4. 4 is less than 12. It's not 4 subtract 12. So it's 12 subtract 4, so that has to be positive without solving. And 4 times 2 has to also be positive. So the back of A has to be positive. But then let's look at 18 over here. It's adding. And 18 itself is already a lot larger than 10 by 8. So if 18 plus a positive number, that has to be more than 10, right? So it can't be A. And then following the same logic of A, let's look at B. So B's back is almost the same. It's 12 subtract 4 in parentheses multiplied by 4 divided by 2. 12 subtract 4, same as A, it's positive. And 4 divided by 2, that's also positive. So B's back has to be positive as well. So it can't be B, because 18 subtract plus a positive is more than 10, definitely more than 10. So let me just erase that. All right, now let's look at C and D. So let's look at the back of C and D first. The very, very back. If, according to associative property, if we add parentheses here, since this is a division for C, we have to change C's multiplication sign to a division sign. And let's estimate for these two. Let's estimate for the bigger one first, and since this is multiplication, D has to be larger than C. So let's look at D first. So, since we have here a 12 plus 4 times 4 divided by 2. Let's not even add 4 here because we're not supposed to calculate. No calculations needed. But let's just do 12 times 2 first. 12 times 2 is already bigger than 18. So if 12 plus 4 times 2, that should be even bigger. So 18 subtract a number that's bigger than it, then it has to equal a negative number. And 10 is not negative, so it can't be D. And there's only one answer choice left, which is C. So on the IC, another cool little thing is, once you get the answer, don't go back and check it because if you know that the other 3 are wrong, then there's only one left, so it has to be C. But if you're doing practice, you can go back and check over it. So let's check it because this is practice. We have a 12 plus 4, which is 16, divided by 4 divided by 2, which is 2. And 16 divided by 2 is 8. And then 18 subtract 8 is 10. So C is correct. Approval. So I hope this video helped. See you in the next video. Bye.